What's the meaning of cold sweat? Cold sweat. Cold sweat.
Cold sweat. Cold sweat. Cold sweat refers to a physiological response in which a person's body produces perspiration that feels cool and clammy to the touch. This response is often triggered by fear, anxiety, or stress, and can result in symptoms such as rapid breathing, increased heart rate, and trembling. The body's attempt to regulate temperature during this response can result in sweating that is noticeably different from the normal warm and damp feeling of perspiration. The term cold sweat is often used to describe a sudden onset of intense fear or emotional distress.